Good morning everybody, how are we all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel on this lovely Monday morning. Well, it's Monday morning for me, filming. Well, that's a very loud toy in the background. But it might be, I don't know, whatever day it is you're watching. Hope you're well, wherever you are, whatever day it is. It is a Monday morning and me and Coots have just got back from the food shop, well, the school run and then the food shop. And now, as you can see, he's just having a little play, generally causing havoc, as he does best. And while he is causing havoc over there, I'm going to show you what we got in our weekly shop. Oh, let's just shut this, you don't want to be looking at my dirty laundry. So this week, obviously it's Monday, I have gone to do our weekly shop. So I get food from Monday to Friday, because then Clint is home at the weekend and I never really know what's going on. So what you're gonna see is the food shop for Monday to Friday for me and my two boys. If you're new, I have two boys, Leo is 5, Cooper is 1. And yeah, this is what we're going to eat this week, midweek, if you will. The shop was done in Asda and it all came to, I think, £72. And I've sort of organised it more than I normally would. This is a spontaneous video, FYI, which is why I look like I've just rolled out of bed. I wish I'd just rolled out of bed at 20 to 10 in the morning and not been up for, you know, 4.5 hours already, but we roll. Yeah, I've been more organised than normal and I've put them into meal plan. I put them into daily meal sections so you can see what we're eating every day, because I thought you might want to see how I meal plan for the boys and what we eat in a normal week, basically. So yeah, I'll stop jibber jabbering now and get on with it. I'm gonna take this off. It is like, it's a weird day outside, even though it's like July in 2 days. It's really cold and wet this morning. Can't do this with one hand. Yeah, it's really cold and wet this morning. And yeah, I've sent Leo in with a coat and like, we've all got layers on. But now I've got back, I'm getting a sweat on. Okay, so here's how I've organised everything. I'm gonna start with the meals and then I'll just show you all of the extra bits. So I obviously knew that I needed to get 5 dinners because we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to consider in this midweek shop. So here is what Monday looks like. Obviously it's Monday today. So we're gonna have some quiche. Leo absolutely loves the quiche Lorraine, so do I. I'd love to just be able to make my own, like a domestic goddess, but I can't, so I always heat it up. We always have it hot. Obviously Leo will have, like, to be honest, I have pretty much half of it, and then Cooper will have like a tiny little bit, and then I'll just have the rest. And we're gonna have it with this pre-diced butternut squash and sweet potato chunks. So I will just spread them on a roasting tin with some oil and some seasoning. Cooper will like demolish those, so even if he doesn't have a lot of this, at least I know we'll have some of that, and I might cook them some sweet corn as well. So quite a like summery dinner, isn't it? Cooper, what is that toy you keep pressing? I don't know what it is, but it's loud. So yeah, there's Monday for you. The sweet corn's in the freezer. Already have it, didn't need to buy any. And here's Tuesday. Tuesday, we are going to have a paella. Leo loves it, I love it, even Cooper eats it, even Mr. Fusspot will eat it. Clint absolutely loves it, but he obviously won't be here. So all I need to make this is some diced chicken breast, some chorizo sausage. Obviously Coopy can't have the chorizo sausage, we have to take that out. A red pepper. You also need a red onion and garlic, but I already have them. They are already in stock, so I didn't need that, and some paella rice. So I'm not going to explain how to cook it, but I am going to show it on my Instagram and I'll save it on my highlights. So if you want to see how I make a super quick and easy paella, take a look on my Instagram. But yeah, that is what Tuesday looked like. So we've got Monday, Tuesday. Over to Wednesday, we will have a bolognese sauce dish. So I've got the lean minced beef. I've got the tin of chopped tomatoes. I always put in a little bit of the Lloyd Grossman tomato and smoked bacon as well, because it is so delish. I will put in a little bit of this, whatever's left over of that chorizo as well, because Leo loves it, and some pasta to go with it. So that's what Wednesday will look like. Over to Thursday. Thursday we're gonna have some chicken sausages. Leo really loves these. I think he prefers them to normal sausages, to be honest. And Cooper, these are much safer, I think, to eat than normal sausages because they're I don't know, they're a lot less bitty, like they're a lot smoother. I don't really know how to describe them, but I always feel better about him eating a chicken sausage. And to go with it, I will make some sweet potato wedges and maybe some sweet corn or some peas. Again, I've already got that, they're in the freezer, but that's Thursday. Friday is a freezer dinner night. Come on, it's Friday night. I'm not gonna pretend just because I work on YouTube that I am, you know, Delia Smith and cook fresh every single night. Friday night, we have something very, very quick and easy. To be honest, this can happen in the middle of the week as well, depending on how the day's gone. But on Friday night, we're gonna have some chicken dippers and some chips, which I've already got in the freezer, and enjoy having a lovely Friday night frozen dinner together. Let's not pretend, hey? So yeah, there is what dinner time looks like, okay? So I've done the main bit. Hold on, let me just see where the baby's going. Coopy. Cooper? What have you got? That's not a walker. That is not a walker, honey. I guess it is a walker now. Yeah, come back with mummy. Come with mummy. Come on. Honestly, he is the cheekiest baby. Okay, let's come into Dairy Corner. So these are not actually for us, these are for the dog. If you're a subscriber, you'll know we have a very, very old, and where is he? Hello, darling. A very, very old and special bulldog. Do you know it's actually his birthday today? He is 11 today, and I feel terrible because I forgot to get him. I was going to get him a jumbo from the shop and I forgot. So me and Coops will go out after nap time and get you a little present. Hey, happy birthday. But yeah, he isn't very well for various reasons. So this is what I give his daily medications in. I just get a tiny bit of this, put his medication in it, wrap it up, and he eats it all. Really good hack if you struggle to give your dog medicine. I got some butter, not very exciting. I got some smoothies for Leo. He has a smoothie every morning with his breakfast, so I got him those. I got some Yoplait for Cooper. I got Leo some Kinder Milk Slice. He loves to have these for pudding. If he finishes all his dinner, he knows he can have one of these. These are for me. You may have noticed that there is no chocolate in this weekly shop. I'm trying so hard to eat less chocolate. So I thought a really good substitute, you know, when the kids have gone to bed and I need something, I thought a really good substitute might just be a chocolate mousse. So I got those. Got some eggs. We eat a lot of eggs. I love eggs. Have them for lunch most days. So we've got eggs, got some blue milk, and some cheddar cheese. So that's like Dairy Corner. Over here we've got raspberries. I didn't get much fruit because actually I think I must have popped into Asda at the weekend or something to get fruit because we seem to have loads of fruit. So I just got some raspberries for Cooper. And baby snacks. I got him some little Kiddylicious bits and bobs. These are always great to have one of these in your bag for emergencies, you know. And some little baby biscuits, and I got him some nappies and swimmer nappies because we got the hot tub now. We are getting through more swimmers than normal. I got some balsam tissues for me because hay fever is let's just not even talk about hay fever. I'm literally bored talking about it. Then we've got the bakery bits, so just some bread and the boys' favourites, hot cross bun. Leo and Cooper have one of these every single day. Leo has his for breakfast and Cooper has one for lunch. They love them. So they are for the boys. Now this is what Cooper has for breakfast. He is obsessed with baby porridge. If I tried to give him something else for breakfast, like toast or a hot cross bun, he will kick off. He just loves porridge, which is fine. It's a nice, substantial breakfast that I'm happy for him to have, but he is massive now. He goes through like 2 of these a week, and these ain't cheap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start mixing these together slowly and gradually in the hope that he doesn't realise what I've done. And I can eventually just put him onto Ready Brec to save a lot of money because, yeah, the baby porridge is obviously meant for much younger babies that don't have as big an appetite as my giant 14-month-old. I got myself some coffee because, newsflash, I'm a coffee drinker now. Literally at the age of 32, have only just started drinking coffee and I love it. So that's my current favourite. I haven't tried the vanilla one yet, so I thought I'd give that one a go and try that one. I'm gonna have one actually as soon as I finish filming this. And then my other necessary caffeine fix is my Pepsi Max. I always have a can of Pepsi Max like midday when I just need a little caffeine kick. Thanks to my darling children. It's like caffeine corner there, isn't it? And then over here we've got like after school snacks. So we've got crisps and wagon wheels and little mini penguins. Just, he loves to come in after school and just ransack the snack cupboard basically. Yeah, we've finished in perfect time for your nap time. Look at that. Just before 10 o'clock, which is when I like to put him down for his nap. So perfect. But there you go. That is what our Monday to Friday shop looks like this week for me and the boys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Obviously stick around. I've just hit 20,000 subscribers at the weekend, which was lovely bit of news. So yeah, just thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you lovely people in my next video. Can you say bye? Oh, good boy. Mwah.